In this video, I'll show you how to use AirPlay to connect your TV to your MacBook Air M5 using Wi-Fi. Step number one is to make sure that both the Mac and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So if I go over here on the Mac, okay, I can see on which Wi-Fi network I'm connected. You need to connect your TV on the same. If you don't have a smart TV, you can use a Roku stick or a Fire Stick or a Google TV kind of thing to do what I'll show you next. But most people will have a smart TV, so that's not an issue. Okay, next, what you need to do on the Mac itself is to go over here, click this icon, two rectangles, and under mirror or extend to, you should see your TV appearing. If your TV doesn't appear here, you may have to enable on your TV AirPlay. Depending on which model you have, it may be different. So click on your TV. It will ask you for a code. The code appears on the screen of your TV. So I'll type 6155. And after you type it, it will ask you, what do you want to do? Do you want to mirror the screen of your Mac on your TV, so it will be the same thing? Do you want one of the app or windows that is on your Mac to be on your TV, only one window? Or do you want to extend the display? And this is what I prefer doing. Therefore, I will click over here and select extend display. And here we go. Right now, I'm not using any cables. I'm able to extend the display of my Mac using Wi-Fi. Let me open a window. And now you may have some troubles over here. You see, if I'm trying to put the window on the TV, it doesn't work. This is because I need to go in the settings. So I'll click the Apple logo, select System Settings. From here, I'll select Displays. And from here, I will go down below and select Arrange. Now I can place the TV. This is my TV, as you see, WebOS TV, exactly where it's located. So it's a bit on the top in my case here, so I'll leave it there. Press down, and now I can drag windows between my two screens. You can also click on your TV and change a few different settings, including the resolution. Once you're done using this setup, to exit AirPlay, once you are done, you're going to go back, same place, top right corner, select the two rectangles, select stop extending, and it just stopped. And you can go back and forth by going over here. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.